Good evening, welcome back to Gary's Classics. So just a quick intro tonight. I've been on site today, quite a few miles away from where I live up in the northwest, looking at some equipment we're installing in the factory. And within this facility, there was a couple of classic cars. So I asked the owners, could I do a quick video? They said no problem, but I can't disclose where it is, so I won't tell you, but it's miles away from here anyway. I do travel quite a bit during my job. However, there's some nice stuff in there, not a lot. VW van or minibus and an old Dennis truck, RS Turbo, need recommissioning, a little Trojan, Mercedes, Senator, MX-5. Anyway, I put a quick video together, it's only 5 minutes long, just having a quick look. Like I say, I can't tell you where it is because it's miles and miles away, miles and miles away, sorry. And I did promise that was one the requirements if I ever videoed them. So hope you like it. It's just something nothing, but I just thought I'd share it with everybody because it's great just to see what's out there and what we don't actually see around the show season. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch up on the next video whenever that may be, possibly Sunday, because I'll be doing a bit of tinkering in the garage on these two, Fiesta and Imp. And I've also got my new engine back, or my reboard engine from Andy Jones at Strigley Engineering. There's a fantastic engineering work, so I'm going to do a video on rebuilding that. Got to clean it all up, but anyway, that's a separate video. Anyway, ta-ta for now, and see you next week. Look at this here, this beautiful Dennis milk truck. I don't know what year it is, but it's quite old. It's got all the milk crates on the back. Lovely interior, very basic. There's not even any clocks in it. It's got the old squeaky horn there. But what a stunner. Dennis it's called. Look at that. Beautiful, all wrapped up. I just managed to uncover some of it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The Green Bus Service hauliers. Look at that. And there's the old horn there, and there's a little clock. Not that it works. Yeah, a bit of a horn there. And all the milk crates on the top. Absolutely beautiful. And then we've got this Senator 3 litre I. This looks like it's been stuffed for quite a while. In black. Cracking car. Looks in real good condition. Wonderful. Big velour interior in it. There's a good detailing, but I bet it'll run a dream, that. 1989. Last on the road in 2008 by the looks of it. What a cracker of a car. Also in the same barn, RS Turbo in white, in need of a bit of recommissioning. It's got the arches off, never seen them, there are the clips on it. All the bits are inside, but looks like a Mark II, Series 2, Mark IV Escort, but yeah, no seats in it, but it's in a bit of a state. But again, a good wash, probably come up a treat, but yeah, great to see. And just next to that, got this lovely Mercedes again. Needs a great detail, the 230e. Not sure what year it is, but it looks like it's been in here for some while. There's a bit of corrosion on the wheel arch. Is it open? Oh, the door opens, look at that. Manual. Oh, it smells a bit, not damp and mouldy. A bit on the door handles there. But yeah, cracker. Proper older wagon in a metallic-y blue. No number plates, and like I say, it looks like it's in for, needs a bit of restoration, but full of dust. Got factory roof on it as well. Same manual. And then I believe under here there's a Messerschmitt. Let's just uncover this. Oh, look at this beauty here. Look at that, that's beautiful. It's a Trojan. A Trojan. Oh wow, what a wonderful car that looks. In blue. Beautiful. Oh, it's got a good, lovely interior in it as well, if you can see in there. Look at that. Three-wheeler job. What a wonderful vehicle in baby blue. But yes, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at this side. Have a proper look in, look at that. What a gorgeous car. Little wheels on it as well, like brand new. So, and a sneak preview of that, cover it back up so nobody knows we've been looking at it. Yeah, it's lovely. And then there's a Golf pantry under there. And then this little O2 plate MX-5 with a hardtop on. I think that's a Mark II, yes, a Mark II. These used to corrode a bit, but look at that. Fantastic. And here we've got the early VW. Look at that, 1970 it is. Low lights at the front in red. Cracker. Absolutely fantastic. Got a nice interior. Look at that, beautiful in there. Left-hand drive. It's all kitted out in the back. Running Porsche wheels. Looks very smart, doesn't it? And it's got the earlier low lights as well at the back there. But some great stickers in it. Longstone tyres. Coleman's Volkswagen 2012. But yeah, looks cracking. Really smart, all kitted out there. Again, like I say, he's got his bit of kitchen stuff in. All this gear in the back. Left-hand drive, all tartan. It looks really smart. Look at that, what a cracker. You just love that boss. Sits really nice as well. And then just at the back of that, we've got this American Chevrolet 250 pickup. Look at that, what a monster. Left-hand drive again. Oh, it's got a light on there. Must be some sort of alarm or something, I don't know. It's lit up with fluorescent, and then it's got a load of mountain bikes strapped in the back. Yeah, cracking bit of truck. I bet that's a big 5-litre thing. Yeah, monster truck. The wing is nearly as tall as me on it. But yeah, brilliant. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this bit of a video and this site I found, and catch up on the next one.